Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas radiallahu anhu was one of the bravest companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He accepted Islam in his early life when he was 17 years old. That's why he was a young Sahaba of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When he accepted Islam, his mother forced him to leave Islam, and eventually his mother threatened him to leave Islam and said, I will stop my eating if you don't leave Islam. Then Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas remained firm, remained steadfast in the path of Islam, in the cause of Islam. Then Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas was sitting. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to him that your arrow would hit the target. And we know Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas was the first person who shoot arrow in the path of Islam to protect Islam. And Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas lead the Muslim army in the battle of Qadisiyah, and that was the turning point of Muslim history, and he changed the history of Islam. And after that battle, the Persian were defeated, and Muslim conquered that area. And after that, that area, that part would included in the Muslim area. And Sa'd bin Abi Waqqas passed away in Medina, and he was buried in Jannatul Baqi.